bulky group. Increasing the bulky group of polymer restrict their rotation of the polymeric chain and reduce their flexibility. That's why their melting point will be increases. The polyethylene have the no bulky group, so their melting point around 135 degrees centigrade. And in case of the polypropylene have the bulky group CH3 that restrict the rotation of this polymeric chain and increases their melting point, and their melting point around 165 degrees centigrade. In case of the polystyrene, you can see the bulky. Here is the bulky group, cyclic bulky group, which is the greater than the CH3 group that restrict this benzene ring restrict the rotation of this polymeric chain. That's why their flexibility will be reduced and their melting point will be increases, and their melting point around 240 degrees centigrade. Branching. The branching of the polymer is also affect the melting point of polymer. The presence of the branches in the main polymeric chain hinder in crystallization. So crystallization is become difficult, so it is affect the melting point. The melting point is directly proportional to the crystallized region of the polymer. If the hinder the crystallization, that means polymer have a lot of random region, and melting point belong to the crystallization region. So there is a less ordered structure, so required less heat to the break it into random orientation. So melting point is indirectly proportional to the branching. So increasing the branching reduce the melting point of polymer. The copolymerization techniques also affect the melting point of the polymer. The effect of the copolymerization on the melting point depend upon the degree of compatibility of the copolymer. By the copolymerization technique, glass transition temperature, melting temperature and the degree of crystallinity affected because of all these depend upon the compatibility of comonomer. So melting point of the copolymer calculated by using formula 1/Tm is equal to 1/Tm naught minus R divided by delta Hm into ln x. Always remember the temperature always taken in Kelvin. Here Tm is equal to melting temperature of the copolymer. Tm naught represent the melting temperature of the homopolymer, and x represent the mole fraction of the homopolymer, and delta Hm represent the heat of fusion, and R is the universal gas constant. Polymer and their melting point in the degree centigrade. First, HDP have the melting point around 135 degree centigrade. LLDPE linear low density polyethylene have the melting point around 125 degree centigrade. LDPE low density polyethylene have the melting point around 106 to 1112 degree centigrade. Polypropylene have the melting point around 165 degree centigrade. Polystyrene have the melting point around 240 degree centigrade. Cellulose plastic like the cellulose acetate, cellulose nitrate and cellulose acetate butyrate have the melting point lie between 240 to 260 degree centigrade. The PET polyethylene terephthalate have the melting point around 245 to 250 degree centigrade. PBT polybutyrene terephthalate have the melting point around 220 degree centigrade. Nylon 6,6 या polyamide 6,6 have the melting point around 265 degree centigrade. The polyamide 6,8 have the melting point around 240 degree centigrade. The polyamide 12 has the melting point around 212 degree centigrade. The polyamide 6-Ylylone 6 has a melting point around 225 degree centigrade or 230 degree centigrade. Both are correct. Polyamide 7-Ylylone 7 have the melting point around 220 degree centigrade. The polyamide 11-Ylylone 11 have the melting point around 180 degree centigrade. The polyamide 12-Ylylone 12 have the melting point around 180 degree centigrade. The POM also known as the polyacetal have the melting point around 165 to the 175 degree centigrade. Polycarbonate. The melting point of the polycarbonate is lie between 220 to 230 degree centigrade. The melting point of the PTFE is around 327 degree centigrade. Melting point of the polyphenyl sulfide PPS around 285 degree centigrade. The melting point of the peak polyether ether ketone have around 335 degree centigrade. The melting point of the LCP liquid crystal polymer have around 410 degree centigrade. The melting point of the ethylene oxide polyethylene oxide have around 60 degree centigrade. The melting point of the polypropylene oxide have around 65 degree centigrade. The melting point of the polypropylene oxide have the 75 degree centigrade, and melting point of the polycarbolactone PCl have around 61 degree centigrade.